When you examine an area model, always ask, are the parts equal? Here's something interesting. A fraction doesn't belong to only one kind of shape. We can shade 2/4 of a circle, 2/4 of a rectangle, or 2/4 of a square. The shapes are different, but each whole is divided into 4 equal parts, and 2 parts are shaded. So every model represents 2/4. Fractions can also describe part of a group. This is called a set model. Here, we have 8 apples altogether. 3 of the apples are selected. The denominator tells us the total number of objects in the group, so our denominator is 8. The numerator tells us how many objects are selected, so our numerator is 3. 3 out of 8 apples are selected. The fraction is 3/8.